Hi friends. In this video, you will see one of the cheapest hotels at KL Sentral. It is called My Hotel at KL Sentral and is located on Jalan Thambi Pillai, which is within a 10-minute walk from the KL Sentral station, the city's transportation hub. This road has some supermarkets, restaurants, and fast food joints. There is even a 24-hour self-service laundry near the hotel. I will show this one in another video. Coming to the hotel, the last time I stayed here, I paid Indian rupees 1000 per night for a deluxe twin room. The price may be different for the dates you search for, but still, my hotel at KL Sentral will not be too expensive. My booking was for stay only, and there is no restaurant in the hotel. However, I still got 2 water bottles a day, and they provided some tea-coffee supplies on request. There was an electric kettle in the room, which I could use for making my beverage. Apart from 2 single beds, my room had a small TV, a sideboard, and a chair. There was a split air conditioner, but there was a problem there with the air conditioning. I will share the details, but first, let me show you the bathroom. The attached bathroom was okay in size, and had a shower stand with hot and cold water. It was clean, and good value, for the price of the room. Now, the problem with the air conditioning. The AC was in good working condition, and cooled the room well, but it was still not possible to sleep comfortably in this room. The reason was, the hotel did not provide a blanket or quilt. There was only a thin cloth sheet to cover myself. If I used the air conditioner, the room became too cold for me, and if I did not use it, the room was too hot. Because of that, I will not stay in this hotel again. However, this problem can be easily fixed. If the hotel management wants, they can provide blankets and make the rooms comfortable for their guests. Whether that will happen, I cannot say. If you need any other information about this hotel, please write a comment below, and I will respond as soon as possible. Consider giving a thumbs up if you liked the video, and subscribe for more such videos in the future. Many thanks for watching.